You'll score your landing page from 0 to 5 and know what to fix first. Put this 5-point checklist on screen now. Headline, spacing, button, proof, mobile. Show the finished scorecard for 3 seconds so viewers can see the full path before we start. First check is the headline. If someone cannot understand the offer in about 2 seconds, the rest of the page has to work too hard. We'll also test the mobile version at 390 pixels wide before we finish, because that is where a lot of decent desktop layouts quietly fall apart. Mistake 1 is an unclear headline. A weak version sounds polished but hides the offer. Design your future faster is a good example. A clearer version is portfolio websites for junior designers in 7 days. Now the result, audience, and time frame are easy to scan. In Figma or Framer, use a simple formula. Action plus result, who it helps, then one concrete detail. Keep it around 8 to 14 words. Add one subheading under it for context. Show a before and after swap on screen. If your hero is clear in 2 seconds, score 1. If not, score 0. Mistake 2 is weak spacing. This is usually a grouping problem, not a taste problem. When everything sits 12 pixels apart, nothing feels related. Use a simple scale like 8, 16, 24, 32, and 48. Try 16 pixels between headline and paragraph, 24 above the button, and 48 between major sections. In Webflow, Framer, or Figma, that gives you a repeatable system instead of guessing. Put a red box around one section and zoom in. If the headline, copy, and button feel grouped at a glance, score 1. Mistake 3 is a hidden button. If the main action blends into the layout, people pause instead of clicking. I see this on soft gray pages with a pale beige button that looks decorative. Your main call to action should win the visual hierarchy. That just means it gets noticed first. Use one accent color and save it for the primary button. On a white and charcoal page, a blue button like 2563EB stands out fast. Also, tighten the label. Book a 15-minute call is clearer than get started. Flash a 1-second contrast check on screen. If the button is obvious, score 1. Mistake 4 is no proof near the top. A clean layout can still feel risky when nothing reassures the visitor. Add one proof block within the first 700 pixels, right under the hero or beside it. That could be 3 client logos, 1 testimonial with a name and photo, or 1 real result, like 42 booked calls in 30 days. No clients yet is fine. Use a sample project with 1 before and after comparison. Show all 3 proof options on screen as a quick visual swap. If your page gives proof early, score 1. If it asks for trust first, score 0. Mistake 5 is messy mobile layout, and this one deserves a real check, not a guess from desktop. Open the mobile frame at 390 pixels wide in Figma, Framer, or your browser preview. Check 3 things. Keep body text around 16 pixels. Make buttons at least 44 pixels tall. Stack content in one clear order: headline, proof, benefits, call to action. If a 2-column section collapses into awkward gaps, change the order instead of shrinking everything. Show a desktop to mobile before and after here. If mobile feels clear and tappable, score 1. Pause here and total your score from 0 to 5 on screen. Then circle the lowest number, because that is the first fix to make tonight. Which mistake is on your site right now? 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? Drop just the number below. That gives me a clean list to pull from for the next critique video. If you want that next step, subscribe here. I'm breaking down real beginner landing pages with this same 5-point checklist, so you can watch mistakes 1 through 5 get fixed live and compare them to your own page. Here is the full checklist one time, clean and fast. Clear headline, consistent spacing, visible button, proof near the top, mobile checked at 390 pixels wide. Run this on your page tonight and rescore it after each fix. Even moving from 2 out of 5 to 4 out of 5 usually makes the page feel clearer, safer, and easier to act on. If you found one weak section, that is progress, not failure. In the next video, I use this exact checklist on real beginner pages, so you can see what these fixes look like in live examples, not just in theory.